Welcome to Code with Patrick. In this part 3, I'm just going to be showing you how you can iterate through this list. Think of it as you have a bucket list of items that you can't even count, but you want to write a code to check each of those items and then run a statement that tells you, hey, if you need this item, then it's available. If it's not, then tell the user it's not available. So that's basically what iterator does. Okay, it goes through each of the items and then see if the condition you're setting for it is actually met. If it's met, then it's gonna return positive. If it's not, then it's gonna return negative. And so I just want to go ahead right now and do that. We already created a layout of what we want. The if and else statement you see there is a text view that tells us what the result of what we're doing. We have the edit text. We're not going to be making use of the edit text right now, but the edit text is just there for now. It's just not going to be doing nothing. What we want to look at is the check button, and then the result will come up here. So once we click the check, it's going to run iterate through the list we have, and then it's going to display the result for us up here. So let's go into the main activity. So right here I already set a click listener for the button, and I'm just going to come down here and start the iteration. I'm going to say for loop. Okay, so the first thing I want to do is to initialize. Okay, I want to call the integer x is equals to 0. all right, and the next thing is to express myself. Okay, expression is just x is lesser than the item. Okay, the item of the list, that's size. Now what happened is I'm just going to increment x. Okay, that's pretty much it. So inside the body you want to write your if statement to check if what item is available. So I'm just going to go here and say item dot get. What item are we talking about here? Dot get x dot equals to, I want to check if let's say I want to check if Indomie is available. So I'm just gonna say item, I'm gonna iterate through the list, each of those lists, and then come here if Indomie is available. Indomie is available. Then what I want to do is I want to tell or display to the customer by setting my text view and telling the customer, hey, yeah, we have Indomie. Okay, so I'm just gonna go here and say text, and I'm just gonna say yes, or just say, keep it simple, Indomie is available. Yeah, that's it. Let's run our app now and see what we have. Okay, right now we have our app right here, and you can see the if else result just like the layout. And I'm just gonna go ahead and click this check. It's gonna run through the item, the list we have, and then we're gonna see the result, right? If the Indomie is available in the list, of course it's gonna tell us. So let's go ahead and click the check. Oh yeah, we can see it up there. Indomie is available. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and click the subscribe button. And if you like the video, just click on the thumbs up, okay? And most especially click on the notification bell, so whenever I upload a new video, you're actually gonna get it one click on your screen. And that's it for this part, and I'll see you in the next part. Bye for now.